There we go, guys. It's Hoops here with another video for the Hoopers Mayhem channel. If you're new here today, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And to all my older subscribers, thanks guys for watching, and I appreciate all your support that you've given me throughout my channel. So you will see that I've gone through a little bit of a change with my channel lately, and I'm trying to put all my metal detecting videos onto my other channel, which is called the Hoops Dirt Fishing Adventures. So if you go and hit the subscribe button on that one too, I'd really appreciate that one. But today's video is going to be a bit of a quick one. I didn't get a great deal of scenes and things like that for the video, but it's I went Fremantle detecting. So I did a video there, which is also up there for my channel, the Hoops Dirt Fishing one. And whilst I was there, I went and had a look at the countryside there, which looked like it could have held some caves. So I actually stumbled across a cave, and it was quite surprising because I found a homeless couple people living in the cave itself, and the cave is amazing. It's really cool setup and design. And then after that, they showed me a bit of a little secret location nearby, which is actually a tunnel which digs underneath Fremantle for about 5 kilometers. To be honest, it's massive. So that was really cool, and we went for a bit of a tour through the tunnel. So that's something that most tourists don't get to do, and yeah, we got to do it. So that was pretty cool. So yep, stay tuned, and we'll see you straight after the intro. Alrighty, so I've just come into underneath where I was metal detecting before, and I have stumbled across a cave, and it's actually some people are living here, and they actually let me come in, which is really cool. So it's actually really amazing. So I'll take you in and give you a bit of a look at what it looks like. It's awesome. So yep. What's your dog's name? Gage, that's right. Hey, Gage. So you got their puppy, and then look, they got lights and everything. It's awesome. So it's really cool. Yeah, yeah, solar lights, yeah. And you got these little natural chimneys that go right up to the roof, and it's got some old steel piping and stuff in there, or steel frames for something. And then, yeah, their little quarters, another little chimney. So how long have you guys been living here?
I live here about 4 months every year.
4 months every year? Whereabouts do you live other than that? Like,
I'm from Denmark.
oh, cool.
Down south.
Yeah, nice.
About 400 k's.
Yeah. Oh, well, it's
so
cool.
And we cruise around a little bit.
Yeah. So, and that one you said just leads into another cabin.
It's a little tunnel that leads into a small cave.
Small cave.
Like,
so basically underneath where I would have been detecting.
yeah, but it's only a very small cave compared to this. Like, you'll probably sit about 12 people. Like,
nice.
Circle on there, that's about it.
Well, that's right up my alley. So you don't mind if I go in?
No, no.
Cool.
Crawl through there in your belly. Like.
Yeah, no, that's what I love doing.
But people see
wicked.
the things they love in there.
Yeah.
A lot of rubbish.
Awesome. Oh, yeah, I see. Yeah, cool. There is a lot of rubbish in here. Wow. Right, I've got to crawl back through here now. Oh, there we go. This is tiny, isn't it?
It is tiny, but you know what? I don't know many people have bothered to do that. So
Oh, that's like I said. I love going in the caves. This is so cool. They got their little garden, and yeah, this side here is where they sort of stay. But you can have a look at it, the fairy lights and everything. It's just so cool. You know, they got a little fireplace, a bit of carpet in here. They got their bed and a little lounge room. All their stuff. I don't want to go through their stuff, you know, but I just want to have a look around it. It's so cool, you know. It's kind of, I guess, what people have wanted to do down at Morford's Cave, where I've done some videos. So yeah, so it was nice of these guys to let me go in. And there's also another little bit of a treat that we're here, and we also seen this really cool tunnel, that limestone tunnel, kind of like the ones I found down in Preston and all that sort of area. They just go into the side of a mountain, and this one's the same, and it goes for miles. This one like goes 10 times further than the ones I've ever found. But yeah, there we go. I just wanted to come down and show you. I just took a break from metal detecting, so I'm going to go have something to eat, go and see if I can find another place. But how cool is this? A cave right under where I was digging. I was literally digging right there. So, man. Alrighty, we are down here. The guys at the cave showed me a little tunnel that runs under the for miles. So we're going to go and check it out and see what it's like. So this is pretty cool. They've obviously did it for something, hey? There's floorboards. Yeah, man. They must have wheeled, carted something through here at some stage. Oh, it's really hard on your feet, isn't it? I wish it did have these wood planks all the way through it, eh? Yeah, sure. You guys are all crawling. That's why it's the advantage of being short. It'd be really cool to find something in here, eh? Be cool, what? Get out alive? Man, I cannot believe how far this can go. Osborne Park. Yeah, car parts in here. I have no idea why. I go past it?
Yeah, you go first. I'll pull my in.
Oh, look at this. Now we're getting to concrete. Look. Now we need a skateboard. Absolutely. This is the sewer. Wow. I think this now is a stormwater. You know what I mean? No, but this is run all the way to the street. And it's like, no, but straight up ahead. Yeah, but they would have
added this to it.
Yeah, they would have put this in here and then made it. Yeah. No, I don't want to go any further. Look at that smell.
Yeah, I reckon it does
I reckon,
go to like...
I reckon we should have about coming from the other end.
Yeah. No echoing. We can walk 8 minutes into the other, because I've been filming the entire time. And I've got 8 minutes to film.
So there we go, guys. That's the video for this one. So that tunnel, actually, I did a bit of research for it, and it turned out it's an old soap factory tunnel. So they would have dug it through the limestone to the back of the factory, and yeah, the pipes that you would have seen in the video, they actually used to run through to the river and feed water up to the factory. So that was pretty cool. There is a guy on the internet called Abandoned World Photography. So if you want to go check out his websites, are actually abandonedworldphotography.com, and yeah, he's got a video where he actually went through. I'm not sure 100% if it's this exact same tunnel, because it looked a tiny bit different, but you be the judge and go and check out his video as well on YouTube and see if you think it's the same one. I'm not sure, but yeah, from what I can tell, it's actually the an old soap factory tunnel. So yeah, if it's the same, if it is the one, it was around 1905, and it was called the Burford soap factory. So yeah, it was established in Perth in Fremantle, and I actually say that the tunnel was about 96 meters in length, but I believe we walked a heck of a lot further than 100 meters, because we were walking for a good 9-10 minutes. So not sure exactly, but I reckon it's about 1.8 meters high, 1.5 meters wide, and yeah, she's pretty tight. And then you had that little entrance that went up into the streets as well, so that was pretty cool. And then, like I said, when we got to the end, which we've seen, it come to concrete stormwater pipes, and they just must venture through into all the city's stormwater system there. But we didn't want to go any further than that, just in case. But yeah, it was pretty cool one. And yeah, getting to meet the guys that showed me around their cave, and then them showing me that was really awesome too. So yeah, I hope you guys can show a bit of affection for those guys, because that was really nice. Obviously, they're a bit down on their luck with how they were living and things like that, but she did say that she only lives there 4 times a year, 4 months of a year, and she goes and sort of moves around a bit. But I mean, that cave was well kept after, like, their stuff might have been everywhere, but it was actually really neat and tidy. The little cave that I went through, they don't even go in there because they can't really get in it. They're not as keen as what I was. But young kids are obviously been in there, and it's just full of rubbish. It was really bad, so I might maybe look into seeing if we can go back soon and do a bit of a cave cleanup on that one too. It is a pretty well-known cave as well, so there is a lot of graffiti and stuff like that. So it would be good to do something like that, a cave cleanup. But I don't want to get these guys in trouble, and you know, if you're homeless and that's the only place you got, then you know. So that was, yeah, like I said, it was cool, and those guys were absolutely awesome, lovely people to meet. So I was really appreciative of them showing me around, and yeah, let me actually film and stuff like that. So it was really cool. But anyway, that's the video. Hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to check out my other one, which is Hoops Dirt Fishing Adventures. And yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, stay moist.